Alright guys, good afternoon Shadows. We are at St. James Park again. Have a couple hours before the next tour, which is the historical pub tour. So I just thought I'd kind of come tour, check it out a little bit more, take some footage. I had some lunch. I'm going to check out a couple pieces that we haven't had a chance to check out. Maybe head over to Trafalgar Square, maybe, depending on how long this takes us. Yeah, so let's see what's around. Alright guys, I have a few minutes before the tour. I thought I would sit and chat with you guys, kind of go over what's kind of been going on the past couple of days. So we've done a lot of tours, right? We did the ghost tour. I haven't really talked about that. It was really great. A little colder than I thought it was going to be, but definitely cool. My guide was amazing. If you guys get a chance, and by the way, I'm not sponsored by this group, but if you get a chance, you better check out Strawberry Tours. They have a lot of really great free tours, and the guides have all been amazing, especially Johnny. So yeah, like, I've been really enjoying London. I've been, like I said, budgeting really well. I just had a nice lunch for like five pounds, so that's pretty good, and I'll have dinner for £5. We're getting almost all of the free tours out of the way to start with. The only one that's going to be towards the end is the Harry Potter one, because tomorrow I do food tour, and then the next day I do National Gallery all day, which I'm so stoked for, and then Jack the Ripper, and then the following day is like a dream come true, guys. Like, seriously, you have no idea how. By the way, Tower of London right behind me. And we're spending a whole day in the tower too. So the two spectacular things I'm doing is I'm doing a whole day at the British Museum, and I'm so excited. You have no idea. I have always wanted to see the British Museum. It started with the Egyptians, and then from then on. And the second coolest thing I'm doing is I'm doing a whole day in the Tower of London. So yeah, so stoked for all of this. Having a great time, seeing amazing things. A little bummed. I don't know if you guys could tell, but Big Ben was underneath scaffolding, so really couldn't see Big Ben. But I've seen almost everything else. Buckingham Palace was a little disappointing. I have to be honest with you. It wasn't what I thought it was going to be. And then I just may go do a day in Hyde Park, just because it's like the iconic British park. So I got a couple more minutes before the tour. I'm just going to sit, have some water, chill, and then we will get going. This is the London South tour, so we'll see like London Bridge, the Shard, Tate Modern, a couple other really cool things. So let's get it going. Talk a little bit louder because I'm next to the road. I was in a super busy mode this morning, so I didn't get to say hello. What you just saw was the food tour of Shoreditch. Pretty cool, got to see a lot of really awesome stuff, taste a lot of great food. Definitely check it out. It's such a diverse area down there, you get a lot of food. Yeah, but that's it, guys. So tomorrow we are doing Jack the Ripper, so that is not to the evening. Hopefully I'll be able to film some of it. If not, I'll tell you all about it. Right now, heading to the grocery store to get some groceries, back to the hostel to do some work. Alright guys, see you in a bit.